Check out this beast. No deposit finance. $65 per week over 4 years. 2002 Nissan Patrol GUIII ST only $9,990. We stock a wide range of cars, Utes, 4x4s and people movers trade-ins. Welcome this immaculately maintained 2002 GUIII ST Nissan Patrol has just been traded by a lovely couple who have spared no expense maintaining this tank and spent plenty on upgrades and extras. The dual-fuel 4.8 LT6CYL motor has recently been rebuilt and runs beautifully on petrol or LPG. Lifted with new suspension, new exhaust system, snorkel, bull bar, spotties, and tow bar. No oil leak at all. No rattles. This car truly is mechanically A1 and needs to go to a good home. 355 XXX km comes with a current RWC gas certificate and rego till January 2001. Want to see more? Check out our website http://gulliverscars.com.au. Call Gulliver on 041310849513. Herbert, St. Slacks Creek 4127 * to approved applicants only on a chattel mortgage for business purpose. These repayments should be used as a guide and do not take into consideration your personal circumstances, credit history or eligibility. Other loan options are available from consumer loans, Centrelink only, bad credit, second chance lending and personal loans. To find out more information regarding other finance option, please contact us.